for this syrup, too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for the life, too sexy for that jack. Yeah.
What it is? What's up? It's Nana in the cut, and as you can see, you get us back with another video. So as you can see from that title today, you guys, we're gonna be making a ooh. I'm sorry, I had to get thumbnails, but y'all, we're gonna be making some pizza. So this is like from scratch, y'all, from scratch. So let me find a big bowl first. Okay. So y'all, in the instructions, it says I have to stir, let it sit, knead it. Greasy, y'all. I'm not Pillsbury the dough man, but you know I keep that dough man. I'm so lame for that, y'all, but yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. Oh my gosh, y'all, I hope this comes out right. Okay, so I use 1 package of this, a half a cup of water, and then I let my other stuff sit aside. So yeah, let's just do that. Okay, we're gonna do that, yeah. So obviously y'all see what happens when you don't listen, because it said to clearly stir and not whisk. So it did kind of get a little what's name, but right now it says to let sit and cover for 5 minutes. So that's what I'm doing. So hopefully I'm doing it right, because I just put some little napkins. Like, that's the only napkins that I have. So yeah, so now I'm gonna start trying to cook my ground beef, because I don't really care for pepperonis, especially some type of meat. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of ground beef. Yeah, so it's pretty thawed out, so that's what we're gonna do now. Alright, y'all, so my timer just went off, and my dough is just look like dough. What does it look like? What is it supposed to look like? I mean, it is kind of gooey, but I mean, it's always like gooey. So next on instructions, it says to knead. So basically, I'm gonna be doing it. I'm gonna put a little bit of flour on the plate, roll it around. Yeah, I want to make sure my hands are super clean. So let's just... Okay. 20 seconds, guys. Scrub a little bit first. Wash the back, the side of your fingernails, especially because it's cooking. A bit longer than 20 seconds. Okay. But who cares? But yeah, so now I'm gonna be putting me some flour on the plate, and then I'm gonna get some kneading. Oops, y'all thought this. So fancy. Okay, I'm finna bring y'all over there so that y'all can see. So as y'all can see, your girl got her beautiful ball of dough. If you're cooking this for somebody else, of course wash your hands wear gloves, but this is for me and my boyfriend, so. But I should most definitely did both packs because y'all, it says that this can reach 12 to 14. So yeah, so now I'm finna oil my pan. Okay, y'all, so this is the most that I think is gonna stretch. I got a pretty good stretch out of it from what I've seen before. As you can see, I am not dirty. So it says on a thing to let it bake for like 2 or 3 minutes before like adding my toppings. Okay, but yeah, so I'm gonna let it bake for like 2 or 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back. Must put a little bit of oil back around it and throwing it. So I can be, you know. I should have mixed some salt and pepper in it as well. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let it bake for like 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, y'all, so we baked the dough, y'all. And it's a little like, it's like rising already. But yeah, y'all, so now I'm finna start adding my toppings. So we got tomato sauce, jalapenos, what else am I putting on this? Tomato sauce, jalapenos, put some banana pepper, well no, because that's gonna be too much. Cheese, ground beef, you know the vibes. Okay, so I'm just gonna open this up a little bit. I just poured a little bit out. So now I'm gonna be adding some seasoning to it because at the same time, y'all, be for real, like this stuff do not be having no flavor to it. And if you don't add seasoning, I would just think, I don't know, maybe your, you know, black card need to be revoked. Put this in there. I think so. So I'm gonna stir it up. Yes, while it's in can, because what's the point of getting a whole nother bowl of something? Just mix it like that. Tastes okay. I can make more. I wish I had like some basil, some thyme, give it that real Italian roasted garlic. You know what I'm saying? Okay, that's enough. I'm not adding no more to Chef Curry with this. Alright, y'all. This is, it looks so good. But now I'm gonna let it bake for like probably like 15 minutes. See? 18 minutes. So yeah, I'm gonna do that now. Yeah. We're gonna taste it when I come out because you know it's gonna be brown. Y'all, what is this? Okay, but I got super duper distracted, y'all. But it's not how it came out. It looked like nachos or something, but it was super duper good. I'm eating on a piece right now, and I tell you, like, the dough is like flaky, good. Call me, I already told y'all, call me Pillsbury the Dough Boy. Ten out of 10. Let me make y'all a pizza. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and come back to my video for more, you guys. We're going up all month because it's Vlogmas. And yeah. Yeah. So y'all know what to do. Peace.